CBSE launches new assessment framework for classes 6 to 10. Maharashtra board exams, drop in number of students enrolling for class 12, rise in class 10. Osmania University UG 2021 result announced. All degree, PG and other exams in Telangana postponed due to COVID-19 surge. JEE Main March result 2021 declared. 13 candidates scored 100 percentile. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Central Board of Secondary Education has announced a suggested competency-based assessment framework for classes 6 to 10 based on the National Education Policy 2020. As per the board, the framework will replace the existing rote learning model and will focus on assessing students based on their competencies needed to solve day-to-day problems. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Union Minister of Education, launched the framework and said the assessment aims to improve the overall learning outcomes of students, mainly covering 3 subjects: English, Science and Maths. For implementing the same, question papers and assessment modes will be changed in a phased manner over 3 to 4 years. In the first phase, selected Kendriya Vidyalayas, Navodaya Vidyalayas, UT Chandigarh and private schools across the country will participate in the program, which will be rolled out to all 25,000 CBSE schools in India by 2024 as per CBSE. As the registrations for class 10 and 12 state board examinations have come to a close, a clear trend which has emerged across the state is a considerable drop in the number of students enrolling for class 12 examinations. On the other hand, class 10 registrations have gone up by almost the same proportion. Figures from Pune Divisional Board, which includes Pune, Ahmednagar and Solapur, show that as compared to last year, when 2,49,895 students had registered for higher secondary certificate class 12 exams, this year the number has dropped to 2,30,983 registrations. A similar trend is seen across the state, where as compared to 14.2 lakh students who had enrolled for HSC, this year the number stands at 13.1 lakh only. On the other hand, the number of students appearing for class 10 has gone up proportionately. In 2021, 2,79,503 students are set to write the exams, as compared to 2,58,204 enrollments in 2020. As far as the drop in the HSC enrollments are concerned, experts attributed to the junior colleges, coaching classes and hostels remaining shut during most part of the year. Since students in class 12 have to choose a career stream for further graduate studies and many prepare for competitive entrance exams, they were forced to take a gap year owing to inadequate preparations. The Osmania University has announced the results of the undergraduate courses of BA, BBA, BCom and BSc second and fourth semester examination. Candidates can check the result online at their official website at osmania.ac.in. The examinations were scheduled for the month of January and February. All ongoing and scheduled exams of degree, PG and other courses under universities in Telangana have been postponed following temporary closure of educational institutions due to a surge in COVID-19 daily cases in the state, authorities said on Wednesday. The revised schedule will be announced later, a senior official of the Telangana State Council of Higher Education said. The Telangana government on Tuesday announced that educational institutions would be temporarily closed from Wednesday and online classes would be offered to prevent the spread of coronavirus, following a spurt in fresh cases in recent days, including from some schools. Earlier, some universities had issued notifications that the ongoing supplementary or regular examinations of all UG and PG courses shall be conducted as per schedule. The National Testing Agency declared the JEE Main Result 2021 March session on Wednesday. All the candidates who appeared for the JEE Main March exam 2021 can check their scores on the official website, the link for which is jeemain.nta.nic.in. NTA conducted the JEE Main examination for the March session for Paper 1 from March 16th to March 18th, 2021. A total number of 6,19,638 candidates were registered for JEE Main March Paper 1. 13 candidates have secured 100%. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theenn.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.